So just to give you the list of our sponsors, so UNESCO and Complex System Institute, Telecom Paris Tech, Île-de-France, l'IX Department and École Polytechnique. We have two CNRS network, MIA for Mathematics and Image Analysis, and ISIS for Signal and Image Processing. SMAI, which is a Mathematical Society for Industrial Application, the group Thales, the Léon Bréouin Seminar, and we have collaboration with Springer for the edition of the proceedings, and also with Entropy with a special issue after the conference. So about just a few words about our logo. So this is from the frontispiece of an Adelard of Bath Latin translation of Euclid Elements. So why Adelard of Bath? Adelard of Bath was the first translator in Latin of Euclid Elements. So he give lectures in UK, in France, in Tours, on Laon, and also he traveled to lands of crusades, so Greece, West Asia. And he has also the first introduced the word algorithmus in Latin. So Adelard of Bath is our emblem or the logo of GSI. And we have a woman, and this woman is a symbol of geometry. So we have more than 150 attendees from 15 different countries, with 85 scientific presentations on 3 days. So we have 3 keynote speakers, Mathilde Marcolli, 2 days, Tudor Ratiu Friday, and Marc Arnaudon tomorrow. We'll have a short course that will be shared by Roger Ballian and given by Dominique Spiner on geometry and the set of quantum state and quantum correlation. And we have a guest speaker, Mr. Charles Michel Marle from Université Pierre and Marie Curie. And we will have 2 social events. We will have a cocktails at École Polytechnique today, and tomorrow we will have a dinner at in Versailles Palace Gardens. So GSI has been created to federate different topics, especially interrelation between geometry, probability, and information theory. So here you have the list of the session of this year conference. So try to be curious and try to attend the different session and try to discover other topics that your research domain. So you have a booklet in your sacoche, and at the end you have the planning of the conference with all the sessions. So we have plenary session and parallel session in this room, in Gay-Lussac Amphitryon, and also in Becquerel Amphitryon, which is the amphitryon in the front of this one. So today we will have an opening keynote speaker with Mrs. Marcolli, and we will have also a plenary session this afternoon about topological form and information shared by Daniel Benquin, and the short course shared by Roger Ballian and given by Dominique Spiner. And we will conclude with a cocktail that will be in the lounge of École Polytechnique. And so for people who have a dinner ticket, we have the dinner at Versailles Garden tomorrow. We will have 2 openings keynote speakers, so Mr. Arnaudon tomorrow and Mr. Ratiu Friday. And we will conclude the conference with the NVT talk of Professor Charles Michel Marle. So you have in your sacoche also the proceedings of the conference, which has been edited by Springer. So many thanks to Frank Nielsen, who worked very hard because you send him many formats, and you have to to make a good job and to have a very beautiful proceeding for this conference. So thank you, Frank, for this very good job. We will also, after the conference, we will motivate speakers, contact speakers for long papers in a special issue with the Entropy journal about differential geometrical theory of statistics. And this special issue could be also edited in a book by MDPI. They have already edited a book based on the SEE conference last year. So many thanks to LIX department, which is the department of Frank Nielsen, and also many thanks to École Polytechnique. So if you are not familiar with École Polytechnique, so it has a long history of 220 years, and with many very well-known students like Henri Poincaré, or many very well-known teachers like Cauchy, Monge, Fourier. One word about the campus. You are at the heart of the new Paris-Saclay University, which is a cluster of different high engineering schools and university, which has been ranked at the top 8 World Innovation Hub by MIT. So you are at École Polytechnique on the right, and you have a very large campus with different high engineering schools. About geometric science of information, so it's like a new grammar of information, and we would like to make interrelationship between different domains from probability and statistics, Lie group geometry and topology, information theory, but also this year we talk about geometric mechanics. So we would like to develop some relationship with experts from geometric mechanics, but also from statistical physics on quantum physics. So two leitmotifs, group everywhere and metric everywhere. So for group everywhere, I take this citation. This is a report of Henri Poincaré on the work of Élie Cartan, and he says that group theory is, so to speak, the whole mathematics stripped of its material and reduced to pure form. And the second leitmotif is metric geometry. So this is a paper, a seminal paper of Maurice Fréchet, where he introduced abstract space and metric space. And so there is many development in GSI community about metric space. And last year at SEE conference, Max Ent, we have invited Misha Gromov, who give a talk on. So this year, we have focused the conference on geometric mechanics, which is at cornerstone of geometric science of information. So Professor Mao or Professor Ratiu and also Marc Arnaudon will give you some tutorial on geometric mechanics. And just to give you an anecdote, is that Élie Cartan was the son of Joseph Cartan, who was a village blacksmith. So you can imagine the little child Élie Cartan looking at his father Joseph, coding curvature on metal between the hammer and the anvil. So you have here you have the library of curvature, and here you have the coder of the curvature. So perhaps it gives him the idea of holonomy and all his work on geometry. So the leitmotif is also not to be Homo sapiens, but to be Homo faber. And see the citation of Bergson: intelligence is the faculty of manufacturing artificial objects, especially tools to make tools, and of indefinitely trying the manufacture. So our symbol this year will be a forge. So this is a painting of Lenain Brothers and Velázquez on forge of Vulcan. So the symbol of this year could be a bighorn. So you have different hammers. So one of them is bighorn. And we have a good transition from bighorn to bicorn. So not very funny, but personal joke. And also some topic about geometric thermodynamics. I like a word, a sentence of Vladimir Arnold. He says that he never understands thermodynamics, so he tried to introduce contact geometry for thermodynamics. So we will have a session on geometric thermodynamics. And so to conclude, so some of them have a ticket for the dinner at Versailles, so it's also to enjoy geometry. It's not the same geometry, it's the geometry of the gardens. So the geometer of the Versailles Gardens was André Le Nôtre, and it was the apex of what we call le jardin à la française. And also we make a link on a social event at Versailles, because this year this is the 300 years birthday of the death of Louis XIV. And Louis XIV has also has established the French Academy of Science. So the initial name was the Royal Academy of Science in 1666. So now I will give the microphone to Daniel that will introduce you the first keynote speaker.